Hi and welcome to another tour. This time we have Fiat 500. It's the modern reincarnation of the original one which came in 1957. This second generation came in 2007. The facelift followed at the end of 2015. Now let's take a closer look. Nice chrome detailing. The car is 3 meters and 55 centimeters long. It came in two body styles as a 3-door hatchback and a 2-door convertible. Massive door handles. This one also got disc brakes at the rear. It opens here. It's got a really small parcel shelf. Full-size spare tire with tools. Metal. Strap for closing. Place for fuel fill cap. Here's the key. Unlock, lock and open trunk. The door panel is plastic except this red leather. Here's the storage. Speaker at the end. Nice massive handle for opening. Nice detail. This one got really nice interior with leather red seats. Side airbag. This headrest is really hard. Nice supports to slide seat forwards and backwards. On this inner side we have for height adjust of this part with the seat. It moves only this part. And here's for the seat angle. So here we have also controls for the side mirrors. Very nice interior. Gloss black plastic. As you can see, easily catches dust. Upper part is hard. Let's move on to the steering wheel. Leather wrapped. Air vents with nice decorative plastic, chrome surround, open and close, and storage as mentioned before. Let's see the instrument cluster. So here we have speedometer, rev counter, clock, digital fuel gauge and coolant temperature. Here's clock, current radio station, odometer and outside temperature. Here we have buttons for menu, and to scroll between them use these buttons. Time, date, radio, auto pause, units, language, passenger airbag, daylights, exit menu, and on this right stalk we have a washer and for trip computer, range, awards consumption, almost 7 liters, instant consumption, award speed, travel time. Okay, let's move to the center. Here are the air vents for CD unit, to turn on the radio, CD options, search radio stations and mute. And on the right side we have menu, And presets, I'll choose between FM, AM, and presets. We have equalizer. Now down here we have sport mode, which is also displayed on the guide, on the driver's display. What it does, it gives more acceleration, is more responsive, and the steering gets stiffer. In some other options, in some lower trims, there would be a city button. Here we have hazards, and to turn on the front and rear fog lights. So these are the shortcuts for the voice, volume, to mute, and for Fiat's Blue and Me, which gives voice control. Volume up.
Ripetere, prego.
Let's say radio on.
Nessun file multimediale in riproduzione.
It's in Italian. Then on the right side also controls for this media, source, to accept and reject calls, and to switch between the stations. Down here we have for climate control, set the temperature, fan speed, direction of the wind, and for demisting, anti-slip regulation, and for rear windshield demist, for controls for the mirrors. And here we have 6-speed manual. To reverse, pull this up and go here. Very nice detail. Here we have another storage compartment. Down here we have place for 2 cup holders and cigarette lighter. And for USB. And handbrake over here. Here's the original owner's manual. Really massive. Let's put it back in. Here we have storage place. There's another compartment over here that seems to be broken. Let's move up. We have sun visors with light, sunroof, it opens fully, operates really fast, and we have also, we can put this sunshade, really nice. Now let's try to get to the rear. As you can see also at the back, this nice red leather. You can also fold it. And you have Isofix. At the back you got 2 cup holders. Now let's try to take a seat. The seat is pushed quite forward, but here we have seat pockets. Sit it quite push it forward, otherwise I wouldn't have space for my legs, even for the head. Some details on the seat. Got cloth hanger on both sides. Let's see the engine. .4 liter petrol engine, 100 horsepower, 16 volt. That would be all. Thanks for watching.